Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm your host Burnout from Burnout Academy, and today we are back with another tutorial. This time we will be setting up volumetric clouds, but first I would love to announce my new Discord server. You can access resources including other tutorials and downloadable material. You can also share your own artwork and ask for feedback, link in description. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. For this tutorial I will be using Blender Eve render engine, but if you are using cycles it's gonna work. So first of all we are gonna add a cube, press Shift A, and under mesh press cube. Now on the left side you should find some tools. If they don't show up, press T and it should show up. Now go ahead and select scale. A bunch of arrows will show up, but we are going to ignore those arrows for now, and we will look for the blue square. Hold it and scale it up. Now look for the blue arrow and drag it up just a little bit. Now move on to the shading tab. Make sure you have the cube selected and press New, which you can find here in the middle. Scroll up to zoom in and select the principal BSDF node. Now press X to delete this node and go to Add Shader and add Principled Volume. You can also use the search feature. Just go to Add, press Search and look for Principled Volume or any other shader you are looking for. Make sure you connect the volume to volume and you should see this black material. Now go to Add and search for Mix Shader and connect it between volume and volume. Add another shader called Transparent BSDF and connect it to the other shader. Now add a noise texture node and connect factor to factor. Add a color ramp after the noise texture and decrease the white slider until you get those clouds. To increase their quality, go to Render Properties, scroll down to Volumetrics and increase those values. You might need to increase the end distance if you are using clouds in a scene, so increase it to 1000. Increase the samples to 128. Change the tile size from 8 to 2. Turn on volumetric shadows and increase the volumetric shadows samples to 32. If you don't have the viewport samples set up to 300, change that too. Back to our nodes, increase the detail. Move to density and increase it to 50. Now switch to rendered mode and add a point lamp. Enable contact shadows and increase the volume to until you see this. Change the color to yellowish white for day scenes and bluish white for night scenes. You can use this if you want the clouds to react to the sun or moon color. And now you have made volumetric clouds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment right below or contact me through Twitter at Burnout Academy.